Good morning, everyone. So I was at Home Shop because this morning I do have an appointment to get the van alignment and tire rotation, and Kitty's gonna stay at Home Shop during the time because that shop doesn't allow Kitty to stay in the van and the shop is quite noisy. So I asked home, and during the time this package from Amazon came from Katie, I think I brought us right from Oregon, who sent this for Kitty. She's like, I just watched your video and I wanted to send a little puffy bed for Kitty. Thank you. You want to try it, Kitty? It's gonna take you. I put it this way because she liked to jump on this and not like jumping on the bed itself. Yeah, it's gonna have you smell on it pretty soon and you're gonna love it. She's gonna lick this. It's like super soft and cozy. Hi, Kitty. Thank you. You want to say thank you? Kitty? Kitty, you want to say thank you? Yes, oh, that's a lot of love. Thank you. Alright, are you ready? Ready to go to the shop? You gotta have the shop for yourself, I think. Yay! Yes, you love the shop. Here you go. Oh yeah, here you go. It doesn't take your time. She's gonna look if Cozy's there. No, he's not. You have the whole place for yourself. You gonna have fun? And I put some plastic bag with some good shirts so Kitty doesn't put too much hair everywhere. Sit on the pile of the bad ones, the bad shirts. Alright, we are ready to go for our appointment. Alright, we're gonna do a quick stop to the dollar store. I need to buy some little basket like this that I'm gonna screw in those one here. I think that's gonna look cute. Alright, let's see. So I got this one. That's the only thing I could find. Well, they fit perfectly on the lengthwise. And I'm gonna screw. It's for, I think it's supposed to put the plant or whatever, but you know what I mean. Oh, they fit. They fit fine. Just fine. It didn't really have any other choice, so yeah. So I think it's gonna be this, and like I said, I'm gonna remove that little plastic liner. If I put some screw though, that's gonna be, I'm not gonna be able to take it out and look at what I want. You see? But I need to put something else so they don't fall when I'm driving. I think that's gonna be cute. And maybe we're gonna stain this same color of that. So the back will be a darker color. We need to sand and paint this. The goal is to replace this guy, like a little bit of like makeup and, you know, cream and stuff, and charger for all my device. So maybe one's gonna be charger stuff. Aww, I think it's gonna be great. All my little, maybe we can keep those things. Put the screw, and it's not super strong though. If the plastic was stronger, that would be great. I could just grab that and look what I want. We'll see. Keep both for now. All those tied, you know, that kitty play with it. It's gonna be there. And this was on the countertop. Right here, they add some Velcro on it. And it was stay there for 3 years. Just the Velcro came out lately. But that's gonna give me more space to when I need to edit. I usually edit here. So that's gonna give me extra space. Alright, so that's done. We're gonna go our appointment. It's kind of strange not having Kitty in the van. For some reason, I feel it. I'm like, my little baby's not here. You know? It's strange for some reason. I don't know why. It's so strange. Alright, let's go to the appointment. Alright guys, I don't want to talk too, it's a busy road, I don't want to talk in front of my camera. But we have 1 hour. I think we're going to go at the mall, which is just across the street. It's a busy road. So I don't think the van is ready. I can see it outside, but we're still gonna go there. I'll buy a little hat, nothing special. She's right there on the other side. Alright, we are good to go. I think we're good for the road check now. We have everything. What are you doing, Cozy? You go for a ride? Look at you in the new PS truck. Like, you got some treats there, I know. It's like, who's over there? Who's over there? Who's in the back? While I was away, I got a little gift from subscriber. What was her name again?
Michelle.
Michelle.
I think it was Michelle. Melissa.
Melissa.
From Washington. Michelle, Melissa.
Someone from Washington.
Something like that.
Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. Let's go grab Miss Kitty now. Kitty! She probably sleeping. This is the... Where is Kitty? Where is she sleeping? On top of some shirt. Oh, there you go. Hello. Where are you sleeping? You had a good time? By yourself? Oh, yep. Oh, I think I found the nest. Sorry, Amanda. This shirt's gonna need a little cleanup. Here. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Jenny always do a detour. She doesn't like that carpet for some reason. So alright, so that was the last part for the van. I think we're done with the van repair. Still a week or so for the t-shirt, if you don't know, by the way. Let me show you. So we have the new merch, if you didn't watch the last video. That's currently on sale, pre-sale. Amanda and I, next week, we're gonna print that and slowly start to send that to you guys. But we're gonna send it around May 15th. So yeah, first and maybe the only time I'm gonna have some merch. It's kind of like a test. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it. Oh, and by the way, they are quite true to size. So this is a small that I wear right now, and usually what I wear. So just wanna put that as for extra information. They are quite true to size. Merch on sale right now. Link in the description. So that's my plan for the next week. Couple little event and see some friends and things like this before the summer road trip, which I'm excited. And hopefully the van is gonna make it all the way to Quebec. We'll see which province we end up going all the way. Maybe we're not gonna go all the way to Quebec. Maybe we're gonna make it just to, you know, Alberta. Who knows? Maybe we the van, hopefully the van's not gonna break down in British Columbia. That would be quite sad. But yeah, I hope so. And yeah, and I'm glad that this girl was not with me today, because I was there for 2 hours to get the tire rotation and alignment done. They were kind of like behind, so that's what's going on. Yeah. Oh, you making a mess? Are you? Well, Kelly enjoying the front now. I think we're gonna finish this project, or at least do a little bit more. I just want to do a quick sand and paint the white, the last coat, so it look good. Alright, I kept my old brush from like a week ago when I painted. Still alright. Alright, let's try to make a good job now. Alright, stain is up. And by the way, when you're doing like little construction in your van, dollar store brush. I even buy dollar store sandpaper. I usually don't buy dollar store sandpaper because they're not very good. I know all the carpenter and all would be like, what? But I couldn't find my sandpaper in my box anymore. I don't know, maybe it's at the shortage. I don't know. I used to have some, so I decided to grab the cheapest they gave her. It did the job. It's not perfectly sand, but I don't really care. It's not the purpose of this one. The purpose of this one is kind of like a rustic. I don't know what to call it. Everything is rustic in this one. It's the rustic look. Alright. The stain. Is it the stain? Should be alright. There's no turning back on this thing. Alright. This is what it is right now. Yeah, I think it's gonna be alright. Obviously, I'm gonna varnish this tomorrow. Every time I do make some change, I'm just always like, not sure. After I look at it, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's fine. I get it. If I end up not liking it, I just gonna put a door on it and nobody's gonna see it and everything's gonna be alright. But I think it's gonna be alright. Right now it's just like really dark because we just put the stain. But yeah, I think it's gonna be alright. And like I said, I'm gonna put those little baskets here. Maybe we're gonna paint them white too, or I'm gonna look to maybe find something better. They're a little bit tall, especially for the last one here. It's kind of like almost too tall. So I'm gonna keep an eye open for that. If I find something better, great. I can keep those little baskets for anything in the van. It's always good to have a little basket. You can just grab it and reach whatever is inside. But yeah, I think it's starting to yeah, not looking too bad. I think I'm gonna like it. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna start varnishing things. 2, 3, 4 coat of varnish, and I think it's gonna be it. I think I'm gonna just get a little zigzag in my cut here that annoy me, to be honest. I think that's what's annoying me right now, because the rest is flat and this annoying me. So I think I'm gonna have to fix that little thing tomorrow when everything's gonna be dry. we just arrived to your favorite place. Your favorite park. So I think I might go for a walk with her. What do you think? You wanna go for a walk? Let's go, kitty. You can tell that kitty's getting a little bit older. Usually we go for a big walk. Well, before we used to go for a big walk. Now she just lay down in the shade and she just want me to pet her. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Ton of love. Ton of love. We are having a beautiful walk here. Hey, kitty. Let's go. Good job. I was just about to go to bed and I realized I think I say bye to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. And what else? I'm going to leave you with Miss Kitty, obviously. Kitty! Hey, you want to give them a kiss? You want to give them a little kiss? They're going to bed. They're going to bed too. Yeah. There you go. Thank you. Oh, you're so sweet. Alright guys, we will see you in the next one.